really useful, and I'm going to take it back to work so I can feed it out to everyone else.
Yeah, I think today's been really good. It's good to get to know everyone who's in a similar position to you, to be honest. It's difficult when you're all in different organisations and you're trying to get stuff done, so it's nice to put names to faces and to understand the problems that everyone else is having. It's really good.
Thank you everybody for today. It was a great day. I've taken my handbook away. I'm going to share all the information with my students and generally promote the website, be a bit more proactive about what's on offer and just make sure everybody's aware of the opportunities. Thanks again.